Hello everybody. It's Stephanie with Coco and Allie Boutique Crafting Page. Happy Sunday to y'all. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. I'm so excited. I know we lost an hour of sleep, but I love the longer days. And I'm here to show y'all a couple of really cute DIYs that you can do for your yard that are very, very inexpensive. So, all the stuff I'm using today came from Dollar Tree. Y'all know I love some Dollar Tree stuff. But I've got these beautiful cut glass glasses. Look at those, how beautiful those are. For $1. And then I got these bowls. They're just plain glass bowls, but they're real nice and thick. And so the first item we're going to make, I'm using these two things along with some E6000 glue. So you just take your glass and you flip it upside down, and then on the edge of the bottom rim, squeeze you a bead of the E6000. And I'm using the clear E6000 because I'm doing glass. That way you don't see it. Alright, so I've got me a bead of E6000 around that. And then I'm just going to take my bowl and sit it on top of that. And I don't think it really made contact, so let me put some more on here. You just have to play around until you get it to where it's making contact. I thought putting it on that outer rim would do it, but it didn't. Okay, let's see. That's better. And that's all you do, guys. That's it. And now you have a solar mushroom. So you take, and this E6000 takes about 24 hours to fully dry. So I'm just going to leave it here for like 24 hours, and then I'll put it in my yard, in my flower bed outside, and I'll show it to y'all. You take a solar light and put it in the ground, and then you sit your little mushroom over it. And so at night you have a light that didn't cost you but $3 to make, y'all. Isn't that cute? I have some that I made last year, but they were out of different glass pieces. The Dollar Tree didn't have the same glass pieces today when I went as what I got last year. The next thing is a bird bath. I'm going to make two of these. I'm going to use one of them as a bird bath and one of them as a bird feeder. So I got this hanging plant thing at Dollar Tree. Hanging wire basket is what it's called. Let me cut the tag off of it. I'll take the plastic off the hook up here. Oh, seriously, come on. Okay. So you have your wire basket, and then a cocoa liner. Y'all know I've been loving using these cocoa liners for different stuff. We made the little bird nest the other day out of it, and I've showed y'all how to make flowers out of it. So I'm just going to put the cocoa liner in the hanging wire basket. So just put your cocoa liner down in your wire basket, just like that, like you normally would. I'm going to push it a little bit, make sure it's down in there good. Oops. Okay. So there you have that, okay? The next thing you're going to do is just take you this is just a plastic bowl from the party section in Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to sit this inside my cocoa liner. See? And I can fill this with water or bird seed or, whatever, so I can do a bird bath or a bird feeder. with that. Isn't that cute? And then you just hang it outside. I hope y'all have a wonderful, wonderful day. And if you haven't set your clocks ahead, make sure you do that. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye. Love you guys.